Hello and welcome to another update video about Sand. Yes, Sand is moving in the expected direction. It's currently following either the yellow count or the white count. I like the yellow count, however, it's also absolutely possible that the white count is unfolding. Both are bullish at the moment and have been bullish. And the market has now reached my next target there at 76 cents. I think we talked about it in the last video. Certainly, I updated it yesterday for gold members on our Telegram and Discord channels. I think I have it open actually. So yeah, so these are some of the updates we are sending through for gold members specifically. So that was sent yesterday, and I explained that the price development is somewhat painful to watch. No strong upside momentum. However, I'm still tracking the same diagonal structure in the yellow scenario, which we discussed in previous updates. Ideally, wave 3 stretches a little higher to 76 cents or 86 cents before circle wave 4 starts. We were at 68 cents yesterday, and we have now moved up nicely in line with other gaming coins. So that forecast is unfolding. And I actually think the way the momentum is going at the moment that it could actually stretch to $1 because that's not only the 200% extension level, $1.05, which is, yeah, one relevant Fibonacci extension still for a third wave there, but also it is in the white scenario, which is an ABC structure. And to be honest, it looks quite a bit like an ABC structure. It is the 100% extension level of the A wave, which means wave C and A have the same length. That's at $1.02, $1.03 here. That's actually 1 second. Let me just double check that. Just draw it correctly. Yeah, so it's $1.03 pretty much, okay, $1.04, which is basically overlapping with the 200% extension level. There are two different ways, obviously, of how these can be drawn, these fibs, depending on which wave count I measure. And yeah, I mean, if it's the C wave that's unfolding, then the $1.04 level there, $1.03, $1.04 is actually the first relevant target. So it means that, hey, with that upside momentum, and it seems to be increasing still, we see that actually on the indicators. Yeah, look at the relative strength index. We have upside or increasing momentum there. Yeah, possibly bearish divergence, but you can't call it a bearish divergence until we have a top. So it might still push higher. And that is basically an indication of, yeah, strong momentum at the moment, still pushing higher in the overbought range. That is typical for such an impulse. And also here you see that on the MACD, don't know how well you see it down there, but even on the MACD here, we start to see upside momentum increase again. And yeah, I mean, it is additional momentum that's coming in, which would rather suggest that possibly we're taking the more direct path, because the third wave, to be honest, should likely top around 86 cents. I mean, you shouldn't say that third waves can always extend, but it just looks more and more, I think, like this 3-wave move in an ABC. You might ask what happens after that. Well, that's tricky. I mean, it can always turn into a larger ABC pattern. ABC could be an A wave, B, C. Certainly not high quality. That's why I said yesterday it's painful to watch, because honestly, this is not a great structure. I mean, it looks painful. But still, that doesn't mean it's bearish. It just means it's painful. And the next targets were clear and still are clear, 86 cents and then $1.04, $1.05. Then we have to take a look at where we are, when we get there. The support is at the moment, I mean, I always use the 50% Fibonacci level rule, you could say. It's currently at 57 cents. So that 50% Fib level needs to hold to keep upside momentum alive in wave C. For example, in yellow, it's also a wave C, or in wave C in the white count. So that level needs to hold. Should reach, you could say, should reach $1.04 as long as the 57 cent level is holding. Yeah, that's my update about Sand. Just want to keep it brief. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.